Welcome. In front of me is LENOVO ThinkBook 14s, and in this video I will show you how to turn your laptop off. So the regular way to switch the laptop off is by pressing the start button, selecting power options and selecting the shutdown option right here. But if your display is frozen and you can't access the start menu, then you can also do it manually by holding down the power key for about 5 seconds until the display goes off. The power button is located right here on the right edge of your keyboard, of your laptop, and you simply have to press and hold it for a while. And once your screen goes off, release it after a couple of seconds, and this way you switch your laptop off. So that's all. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.